I'll guide you through how to create mockups on Canva. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide.
So we start off on the main menu of Canva, and then we go over to create a design. Let's use Instagram post square. Anything works really. So when we get loaded into here, we need to create our design for the mockup that we want to make. For example, I want to make a GuideRealm t-shirts. So I go over and find the logo. Let me bring it over. Let me position it to the center and to the middle, and I can save this design as it is, or I can add more stuff. After I'm done here, I go over to the top and I press share. And when I press share, I don't go into download, I rather go into more. When I get to more, I just start scrolling down. And as I scroll down, I look for this here, Smart Mockups. Click on it and we press connect. It will redirect us to another page. And right here, you can sign in with your account or create a new one by pressing sign up for free. When you press sign up for free, you will be asked to sign up with Google or sign up with email. I will press sign up with Google and I will pause the video right here so I can sign up. And after you sign up, you just press sign up with Google and select your Google email address. I did it, and you will be brought to this tab right here. We just press connect. I left click it and I press save. It will take a bit for it to save. As you can see, it's preparing the design. You have it, and the design has been saved. So now I can go in and view it in Smart Mockups. I press that. And now that I've got into Smart Mockups, as you can see, it already started adding my design to mugs, to computers, to phones, to shirts. Now I can select any of the offered mockups right here. I need to mention that first off, you need to make an account on Smart Mockups and connect it to your Canva account, which is a really simple process. It's really straight up. You just go into Smart Mockups, create an account, and you will see an option to connect it to your Canva account straight up. Now let's go into t-shirts. For example, I want to go into t-shirts, and I don't have the pro version of Smart Mockups, so I want to press the free one. I select all the free designs. So, for example, I like this photo, I like this mockup, I select it. And as you can see, it takes a bit for it to load. And it has the design I just created on Canva. Here is the design. As you can see, it's the exact same one on a shirt. After I'm done, I can customize the scene a bit. I can change the t-shirt color, but now as I say I'm done, I press download, and I can only choose medium quality because I don't own the premium version of Smart Mockups. I select medium and I wait for it to download.